In this video, I will show you how to properly use your universal TV remote. So what's absolutely great about this remote is it literally works with any brand TV. So no matter what kind of TV you have, it should work for you. First, obviously make sure to insert batteries in your remote control, and then we need to connect it to your TV. So for example, I have guide here for all the biggest brands. So simply find your TV brand here. If you do not see there, I will show you another way how to connect it. Yeah, for example, let's say I have Samsung TV. So I would simply press the set plus number 3. Okay, so this set button plus number 3. So first hold the set and then the 3. As you see it blinks and then release. And it's now set for Samsung TVs. And yeah, as you see, works absolutely great here. So for example, if you want to set it for LG TV, you would press set plus number 1. So hold the set plus number 1. Once it finishes, release, and now it's set for LG TV. And also we can use automatic search as well to find it, if you can't get it to work that way. So for example, on this TV, we can simply press and hold the set button. So hold it and point it at your TV. This remote essentially is going to test all the frequencies it has one by one. And you want to simply see when your TV increases in the volume. So as soon as you see your TV increasing in the volume, you release, and it should be set for your TV. So I'll simply press and hold the set button and point at my TV. And now I wait till it increases in the volume. Once you see it increases, release it. Okay, so yeah, as soon as you see your TV increasing in the volume, release, and it should be now working with your TV. And also this one by one search also is very good. So you would simply hold the set plus power at the same time, release, and then we simply click the channel button on your TV. So you click, 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 and simply see when your TV changes the channel. So as soon as you see that your TV changes your channel, after you press the button, you press the set to confirm, and again it should be set for your TV. And finally, also, this remote comes with this absolutely massive list of essentially all remotes available worldwide. So you can simply find your remote control here and match the code of it, and it should also be set. So if you want to do that, so we simply have to hold the set plus power and enter the number of the remote. For example, let's say we want to set for this remote. So with number 013. So we would hold the set plus power, release, so you see, yeah, it's in the programming mode now, and we press 013, and now this remote is set to work just the same as this remote here. If you need this list, I will simply show you up close, so you can pause the video here and try to find your remote here. Okay, and we have some more here. And yeah, overall, I actually really like this remote control. So not only it's very affordable, so literally I paid only $3 for this remote. And yep, it was great. Also build quality also is very decent on it. And literally works with any TV brand. So I can highly suggest it. Okay, good luck.